So I'm working on this BMW right over here, and if your 12 volt is not working right over here and you're trying to get some power going into your system, for example for something like a dash cam or a radar system, what you gotta do is pull the handle over here to pop your hood open. What you want to do is come over to your hood area. Right underneath here along the right side there's going to be a latch, so your hand underneath to lift this a little bit and then lift the latch. I'm going to do that right now. Alright, now that I lifted the latch, I can see the fuse box over here on the right side. It may have a cover on it, it may not. In this case I took the cover off, and I'm going to show you which fuse it is. It is fuse F32, which when looking right at the box right over here, it is this one, the green one right over here. So you have 1 and 2. It's this green one right over here. And in my case, the fuse is good. The top bridge is connected fully. There's no break in it. But if yours is bad, it could have a break in it. What you want to do is just go ahead and grab it from both sides, pull it up with a non-metal object, preferably with a fuse puller. So you could do that, and then once you replace that, you'll restore function to your 12 volt. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.